If you're struggling with algebra, calculus, or statistics, I got good news for you. Here is a free app called Microsoft Math Solver. Just snap a picture of your math problem and the app is going to solve it for you, and it's going to show you the step-by-step solution. And it doesn't have to be printed nicely. It can even solve handwritten math problems. No more bad grades in math. The Math Solver app is available for iOS and Android. Just look for Math Solver on your app of choice and install it. Now let's say I have this equation I need to solve for x, but I do not have idea how to solve it. Just launch the app and snap a picture of it. It will process the image, run OCR, and immediately solve it for you. I could click on the solution steps and it's going to show me a step-by-step explanation to the solution. Let's go back to the solution and let's hide the steps. When you scroll down, you get similar problems that you could practice on. And down here, it's going to recommend even more learning materials like video tutorials, worksheets, and similar problems on the web. Lots of practice for me. The great thing about this app, it even recognizes handwritten math problems. So here I have an equation that my friend wrote on a piece of paper. I'll just snap a picture with the app. It uses ink recognition to convert the handwritten problem into a math equation, and it solves it for me right away. Pretty amazing, right? Another option you have is to draw and sketch your problem. So let's select draw from the menu here, and then I'll just sketch my equation and it's going to convert it. You could also use the eraser just in case if you make a mistake, and reselect the pen to correct it, and click the blue arrow button to solve it. And there it is. And finally, you could also use the math keyboard and type in your equation. The last thing I want to show you is this feature behind the blue notepad in the top left corner in the notes. It will give you a lot of different examples of equations you could solve with the app, and you could even solve problems that are typed out in natural language. A great way to stay motivated is to use the quizzes. You get daily practice quiz and it will keep a weekly score for you. It's a great app. I wish I had such a thing when I was in school. It would have saved me and my parents a lot of trouble. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.